Hello everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. It's January 1st and I'm sure that most of the people will be getting ready with their New Year resolutions to make a better life in 2023. Thinking about the last year, there may be a lot of ups and downs or maybe nothing so special to recollect about it. If you ask me how content I am today at this moment, my answer will be I'm really happy and joyful as I could improve a lot than the previous year. But it wasn't the same last year, and I believe that the real success is the progress in your process. During this time, I have realized one thing, that nothing is gonna change if you don't want to change, and that was the answer to all my questions. It takes time to live an organized life to reach your destinies, but I believe that even the smallest actions counts on a long journey. Here in this video, I am sharing 3 things that help me to be consistent and focused with my goals. The first thing is work on yourself before you start working on your goals. When you set a goal, it is really important to organize your life and time according to that. If your dream is to start a business, you have to do a lot of research on that, or maybe you have to put a lot of hard work and dedicate all your time for that. If you start doing everything all of a sudden, and if your mind and body is not ready yet, there are chances that you may give up in between and you will feel tired and distracted soon. So it is really important to prepare yourself before you get into the activities. I worked on my mental and physical health before I started working towards my goal. In order to get into the process, it's really important to have a strong routine that helps you to improve the quality of your life. The second thing is forcing yourself to get things done. There are days when you are at your 100 and there are days when you feel like doing nothing and easily get distracted from your routines or goals. In order to stick to the plan, you have to fight with your distractions, and this is what I have mentioned before, that nothing is gonna change if you don't want to change. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I feel like I don't want to do workout or I don't want to do the daily journaling, but I really don't listen to those thoughts, but I just do things according to my plan. Never let temporary distractions keeps you away from your goals, and be the one to force yourself to get things done. The third one is adapt a process that suits you. It's not really difficult in today's world to gain information about something. And what I have learned is it's not always possible to apply those tips and tricks in our daily life. In case, if someone tells you what diet or workout you should follow to gain or lose weight, you may start doing that the very next day. And after a few days, you may feel difficulties in, continue that activities or being consistent with those. It may be because that it's not supporting your food culture, or it may be not good for your body type, or maybe it's not the workout that you should follow. So there are chances that you easily get distracted and you won't feel like continuing with those activities. Create a routine and organize your life in such a way that suits your lifestyle and situation will be the best way to be consistent with your activities. It is better you choose a process that suits you. Therefore, you can be more consistent and be happy with what you're doing, than keep changing your process. These are the 3 things that help me to be consistent with my goals. I hope this will help you to make a change in your life too. We will meet you in the next video, and I wish you all the best for the rest of the year. You all take care.